So this is, if you remember, what's the name of the game I'm thinking of? Grand Theft Auto. That's the observatory right there. Like this whole area is basically Grand Theft Auto. Alright, here it is. Here comes this Hollywood sign. Cross our fingers that it is 3D rendered. I'm gonna pop off my face for a little bit. We can get some good views. Oh yeah, it's 3D rendered. Slow this puppy down. Yo, what's up, Hollywood? Hold on! Ah! Hold on! Crash landing! Hold on! Hold on! Oh, we got this, guys! Oh, we're good! Keep on going! That! Trying to pay attention to too many things. There's too many rocks. Hold on, hold on. Okay, okay, we're good. Promise you. We're gonna get some more views. The Hollywood sign. Nope, not backwards. Go forwards. Where are we? Okay. Now we're officially dead. There you go. Who was it? Michal. I crashed the plane for you. Not too sure it's completely gone though. Oh, let's look around. Get out of this, right? Oh yeah, there we go. We got this. Hold on. Don't really know where we are. Yep. This is how you get an airplane unstuck. Very realistic. This is how it works. Done this before in real life. Promise. Okay, now we are officially stuck. Yeah, officially. Let's hit that camera view. I'm gonna look at the Hollywood sign. Camera. Oh, Hollywood. And there we are. On the side of the Hollywood mountain. Good snapshot shot of that. Crashed on the Hollywood Hills. That's pretty good. You know, not too bad. Super dope. The dopest. Right there. I'm gonna make this the Hollywood sign. The Hollywood Man, I'm tired. I can't think. Screen for YouTube. Okay, so let's check this out from here. Hollywood sign. Here's the water area. All comes out this dam looking thing. And then, so if we follow this straight over there, it's like this road. I think this road. There's a football field right here somewhere. Yep, there's that football field. Okay, it's right next to it. This is the football field I thought we were looking for earlier. So is this how it is? One, is that a street? 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. Oh, I do remember this mall. I've been there before. Theater. Is this the Chinese theater right here? No. Maybe. No. Hollywood, what do we got up here? Showstoppers. Say hello to my little friend. Pepsi. Ah, here's the theater. We found it. It's the point across. Not sure if it's super great, but oh geez, it is so quick. Let's slow this down. Slowing it down. I love how I have to rotate to slow it down right now. Hollywood Theater. Okay. There should be stars on the road here. Oh yeah. There we go. Here's the Hollywood stars. Very cool. See, can we read one? Let's try to read one. Ah, what you didn't know is the Hollywood sign is actually yellow and green grass. Bet you didn't know that. Microsoft Flight Simulator taught you something new today. Some more stars. Just taking a little stroll. Got Subway right there. Anybody hungry? Very cool. Oh, why are the stars on the wall?